Mahalo everybody, Big Daddy here, Big Dick Ballistics coming at you today with an unboxing from Clear Ballistics. We're going to be unboxing their Ken bust with an internal skeleton. But before we get into that, go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube, Instagram, Truth Social, Rumble, everything that we have on our link tree. The content is different throughout all of them, and on all those other platforms I mentioned, I probably won't get shadow banned. So check those out. Check out our merch on BigDickBallistics.com. This is the new Bullet Babe. It's available in t-shirt, long sleeve, hoodie, all sorts of girls stuff, mugs. It's all there. Also, check out 1791 Gun Leather, our affiliate. They have beautiful American-made leather and Kydex holsters that are right for any budget. Use code BDB10, 10% off any time of year. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Ken Loaded Bust from Clear Ballistics. So I've always wanted to shoot one of these things. Earlier in the year, I did a review on 380 and how it was a viable little self-defense cartridge. And I shot into one of their 10% FBI blocks. And it was awesome. It actually taught me things I didn't know about the 380 that did have decent penetration with ball ammo. Today we're going to unbox this bust. I got it on Black Friday from Clear Ballistics. It was $159 roughly. Right now it's back up to $229, and I still think it's worth it for $229. So let's check this out. I'll put up some shitty background music to speed this up. Got a nice little Spyderco. All right, fuck that. So let's check this thing out. It's about 20 pounds shipped. It says Fragile on it, so it must be Italian, right? Let's check this thing out. Clear Ballistics always does a good job packaging up their stuff. I also bought another 10% FBI gel block. Put this to the side. Oh, peanuts that you can't eat. Let's check this out. I hate packing peanuts with a passion. Let's see. Oh no, this is gonna be a fucking ass pain. All right, stand by. I gotta get a garbage bag. So while we empty this out, I think ballistics gel is very important for every shooter. As far as load data and load development go, whether it's for hunting or any kind of defense use, you need to know how your ammo is gonna perform internally, externally, and terminally ballistic-wise. And here at Big Dick Ballistics, here at Big Dick Ballistics, we want the biggest ballistics as possible. All right, fuck this shit. This sucks. This is fucking annoying. Clear Ballistics, go green, please. Ugh. All right, that blows. Fuck, I'm gonna have a lot of cleaning up to do. Okay, so it comes with their warning card. Hot gel will cause burns. Do not touch gel until cooled. Never allow children to touch hot gel. Gel can combust if gel temperature exceeds 275. And they talk about MSDS, material safety data sheets as well. Okay, so let's look at this thing. It weighs 22 plus pounds. This is actually pretty fucking neat. Ugh. All right, well, this is it. I'm gonna put this thing on top of I'm gonna save this bag, but I'm gonna put it on top of the box so you can get a better idea of what we're looking at here. Oh my God, and what we're dealing with. Ugh. That's some heavy shit. Ugh. All right, and there you have it, folks. So this is the Ken. This is actually really bigger and thicker than I'd imagine. I mean, holy shit balls. Let's check this thing out. So we have a spinal column, we have a skull, we have a mandible, we have a clavicle. I think that's very important because if you hit somebody in the clavicle, you're taking that arm out of the fight. That shoulder's gonna drop. That's pretty cool. So yeah, The price was right for $1.59. I had the heater on in my garage, and this box has been out here. So this thing's about 60 degrees. Very pliable, just like the regular FBI blocks, those giant pocket pussies, basically. This is 10% ballistic gel. There's either 10% or 20%. Most military actually uses 20%, as far as I know. And if I'm wrong, tell me in the comments section. But they use it to check out tissue damage. The 10% is basically used to check out cavitation, penetration. Again, the FBI, they use those 10% blocks, and they use it with those 4 layers of denim to check penetration. They work out really well. Clear Ballistics has a kit. Comes with a big slow cooker, basically, a mold, plenty of instructions, and I think it's well worth it. Again, low data development, whether it be for hunting, self-defense applications. You want the most bang for your buck. So you want to see that hydrostatic shock that your hollow points are producing. You also want to see if your rounds destabilize at a certain point. And I think it's important to test load data on gel out to 100 plus yards. Even further, especially if you're doing any kind of big game hunting. You're going on a trip that you paid a lot of money for, a once-in-a-lifetime type trip. You want to see if that ammo performs out to distance. That's a good way to do it. Now we have a special treat for you all, and this is going to be really cool. The next video or two that we're going to do, it's going to involve Ken, but Ken's going to be wearing a Nazi helmet. We're going to rename Ken Hans Gruber, and we're going to hit him with a 1903 Springfield. Now, this one was sporterized. It's got a Colmorgan Bear Cub scope on it. It's a 6 power with a thin reticle. Somebody tried sporterizing it back in the day. These scopes actually saw use late Korean War into Vietnam on Model 70s until they switched to like military grade Unurtles and stuff like that. So we're going to take that shot that they took in Saving Private Ryan with this thing. And let me know how far in the comments section you think I should take this shot at. We're going to shoot through some scope. Now, it's not going to be a World War II era period German scope, but I want to see if we could shoot Ken through an optic mounted directly in front of him. Can we do it? Fuck yeah, we can. I'm a fucking sniper. But either way, I think it's going to be for awesome content. I haven't really seen anybody try and do it. Now, yeah, we'll probably run into some issues as far as, you know, getting around to penetrate each layer of glass straight through the optic. But yeah, we'll check it out. Just to give you an idea of how pliable this FBI gel is. It's good to go. So everybody, thanks for watching. Again, like, share, comment, subscribe, share us. That's the only way we're going to get bigger. Remember, educate yourselves, educate your family, keep on training, keep watching for new content. Check out Bullet Babes again, BigDickBallistics.com. Support the Second Amendment. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to buy this. Without you guys, I wouldn't be as motivated. So thank you, everybody, for keeping me motivated so I can bring you great content. If you have a company, a small business, and you want me to wear your shirt, go ahead, DM me. I'll wear it. I'll give you a shout out, trying to help everybody out that supports the Second Amendment and your freedoms as an American. Thanks for watching.